If you keep getting distracted by the YouTube and you cannot delete it entirely and you just want to use the YouTube in order to learn something, specifically want to not being distracted of all times, what you can do is to simply go to YouTube and we're gonna simply just try to remove all the recommendations that we have here. So first thing first, what you can do is to go to U bar, then go to settings. In the settings, go to your data in YouTube, then scroll a little bit, and what you can do is to simply go to YouTube watch history and turn it off completely. After you're gonna turn it off, pause it. I mean, technically you cannot turn it off, you're just simply gonna pause it. Got it. Then go to manage history and okay, doesn't matter. Then press this little delete button and delete all time. Simply, it's gonna delete all the history that you watch on the YouTube itself. That's way we're just simply gonna remove all of the recommendations that we have. So then what you can do is to simply go back, and the next thing what you should do is to remove the search bar history, YouTube search history. And if it's already off, that's okay. If it's not off, we'll just turn it off. That's the thing that you need to do. Then you can just completely close everything here, go to back, go to your home page, reset everything, and now as you can see, your history is off, and now you can just use the YouTube itself completely for yourself. So that's the way you're gonna delete all the recommendations on your phone. What about your computer? Well, let's go and check it out. So on the computer, what we would do, we would actually just install a bunch of extensions that will help us to simply not be distracted on the YouTube. So right now, if we just go to YouTube bar, you can see that on my other accounts we have still some recommendations, and of course we'll just go and remove all of the extensions, recommendations history. That we could do this, or just simply go and switch to our main account, so that way we don't have anything else here. But other way is to go to on your Chrome extensions, then go to Chrome extensions browser, store, Chrome web store, yeah. And in the search bar, we need to search just two main extensions. First one is Unhook, which is primal one for us. We're gonna just simply press, write down the Unhook button, download it. And if you're using Firefox, go to Firefox store and just write down Unhook. And if you don't have Unhook for some reason there, just go and install DFTube, which is completely similar to Unhook. So yeah, but simply has less, I would say, settings. So in Unhook, what you can do is simply turn it on first, then leave it as it is if you would like. But I would actually just simply remove the comments and turn on playlists. I guess I do like to use playlists because they are not distractive in my case. I can hide subscriptions, I can hide shorts tab, and hide top header. I don't think that it actually would be helpful. Explore trending, I would hide explore trending. I would hide mixes, I don't need them. Hide video info, that would be important, I guess. Hide top header, it's not. Hide video sidebar, yeah, that's pretty much it. Simply remove, make as mine, as you can see. Then if we will go to YouTube, now as you can see, we don't have feed at all, and that will be even more clear if I will just switch to my other account. So on the other account, as you can see, we have nothing at all. And if we just go to history, as you can see, everything that we saw in the previously in the past, still there. So now what we can do, because still if you're gonna use the search bar and search, for example, for Markiplier, you can still waste your time on watching a lot of videos here. So instead of doing this, instead of wasting your time, what you can do is to simply try to find the hide YouTube thumbnail. Yeah, here it is. Hide YouTube thumbnails. What it does is simply hides the whole YouTube thumbnails completely. If you would like to, you can simply go. Now, if you would like, you can just go to settings of this extension and simply hide thumbnails completely if you would like. So that way it would just be the text itself. But this way it is a lot more harder to simply navigate here. So instead of completely hiding everything, what we would do is to just say the blurred status here. So blurred means simply every thumbnail we have gonna be blurred. That way we wouldn't be distracted completely and we still know the information that's on going on. So simply, if you just, I'll hover my mouse on it, you just know what it's all about. It's all about Markiplier. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Those extensions will help you to not be distracted on YouTube. But still, if you would like to go and simply waste your time, you can still use your search bar and watch whatever the hell you want. So not actually eliminating the YouTube itself, but it gives you a lot more control over your time. So if you just try to completely remove everything, use, for example, cold turkey and completely block the whole YouTube itself, I wouldn't think that would actually be helpful to you, because sometimes we need to use YouTube in order to learn something. For example, this video you're watching on the YouTube, so if you just completely go off to cold turkey, you cannot watch any helpful videos for you. So if this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe, and yep, that's pretty much it. Goodbye.